So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna put these Shine magnetic eyelashes on. So it's actually an eyeliner and eyelash kit. They're reusable, easy to apply, and waterproof. And the pack comes with 5 pairs of magnetic lashes, 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner, and 1 eyelash applicator. So this is my first time using it, so I'm just gonna go through the steps. So it says first how to dip the brush in the eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna show how to put on the magnetic eyeliners and the magnetic eyeliner and the eyelashes on my face. So the first step, it says to dip the brush in the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna, this is the magnetic eyeliner. So I'm just gonna open the packaging. And then, oh, the eyeliner is black. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it how I usually wear my eyeliner. This eyeliner has like magnets in it, I guess, so which is what will allow the magnetic lashes to stick on. I'm just gonna do it where like I'm gonna put the lashes. So okay, and then we just wait. Okay, so the next step, it says here, fill in the wind with 1 or 2 strokes, okay, and then pop your magnetic lashes for bigger and sexier eyes. How exciting. So I'm just gonna grab my lashes and try popping them on and see if it works. So the lashes come on a magnetic strip, which is very interesting. I was about to rip it off. But yeah, if you can see, there's like a few little tiny magnets on it in itself. So yeah, they're supposed to just snap on. I mean, they're not sticky at all. So I'm just gonna add more magnet onto my eye. It is? It's on. Oh wow, that one went on way nicer. Okay, so they're on. I'm gonna fix that. So I wore the magnetic lashes. They feel really light. I like how they look and I like how they feel. And if you're a person who has a hard time putting on lashes, like the glue gets sticky or like it gets everywhere, I would 100% recommend these just because of how absolutely easy it was. And also the eyeliner is pretty good quality. It was really ring lashes. I would 100% recommend this eyelash kit. And if you like this video, you can just like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.